Looks like I got a cold sore, but I've just been biting my lip so much. It's kind of bleeding. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it's currently 3 a.m. and just like everybody else at 3 a.m. That's so sad, look at my hair. I have all this sudden motivation to just turn my life around in the middle of the night, which I'm gonna regret when it comes 4 a.m. and I'm very much awake. I will show you the state of my bedroom right now. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god. Basically, my curtain... Basically, my curtain rail started coming out of the wall, so my dad took it off to reattach it, but then he realised the plaster was dodgy. Now, Howard has slipped a disc in his back, so he's on a lot of painkillers right now. Decided it was a good idea to rip all the plaster off my wall. Love waking up to feeling like I'm living in a mental asylum. It's just one of those days! Maybe I am. Oh my god, maybe I am and I'm on so many drugs I didn't realise. No, it's too late for that shit. So I'm gonna be tidying my bedroom and getting my life together. I'm already regretting this. Okay ladies, first thing we're gonna do is laundry. Dirty laundry, which pretty much all this is. Basically, I've been away in London for this last... Look at the colour of that sock. Emma Chamberlain is shaking. Also too, can we just talk about the amount of shit Emma Chamberlain gets? It honestly terrifies me. Like, that girl has got so much going on in her life. She's doing so many amazing things and people are like, you know, Emma Chamberlain's doing this, what are you doing? Showering. Look how cute these socks are too. I got gifted them from Gungo. Thank you Gungo. Currently wearing a pair. Look at the colour of those too. How cute are these jeans too? Got them from Brandy Melville. Very nice. Should probably take the... Do you know, I'm not going to take the tag off them because I am gaining weight. Thanks Microgynon. Love you for that. And look at this jumper too. Oh, in love. I then also have all of this stuff here. This is like Pretty Little Return thing stuff. This is shit I need to send back from a YouTube video I filmed. So I need to take that up, and then this is all fresh washing. My wardrobes are completely overflowing, so I have no idea how I'm going to fit all this in. Oh god, I just realised all this and my sister's Christmas underwear. Okay, I'm gonna make a pile. I always make a... Almost flashed it. I always make a pile of Oh yeah, also too, has anyone else watched the Michael Jackson documentary? Because I watched it the other day, and whilst I was watching it, just like induced so much like stress and anxiety. I literally bit the inside of my lip off. It's like just healed now, but Jesus Christ. This pink silky dressing gown, which I will only ever wear for a photo, because do I look like the sort of girl who'd wear a silky dressing gown? No. God, onesies. Oh. They were the day. I remember once in like a talent show in year 7, we did the chubby bunny challenge in onesies. The golden age. Fun fact, this was actually the first ever Victoria's Secret bra I ever bought back when I literally had no boobs, but I still wear it. Why? Because I'm cheap. Jumpers, these go in my wardrobe. What are you? Ooh, a bodysuit that I haven't worn in ages. Why? Because I don't make an effort anymore. This top is so nice, but I just never wear it. I feel like it's something, not Jim, what was his name? Will Byers' mum would wear in Stranger Things. Jim? Jim and Tanya. I'm still not over it. This t-shirt I always wear to the gym because it says mermaids don't do homework, and I'm not 11 years old anymore. Grey jumper. This is a cool colour. I never wear this anymore. Oh, this shirt is so pretty. I wore it in Paris. Malibu and Alexa merch coming soon. Literally, you wish I was joking. I'm really going all out and I'm lighting a candle. It may be from Aldi, but I'm still treating myself. I've sweat some of that went up my nose. Right, another little story time. So, as lots of you will know, because I'm sure there'll be like 101 vlogs, and I did vlog it, but I'm pretty sure the footage was shit. So I don't think I'll be uploading it. Basically, I went out on Friday for Jasmine's birthday. We went out together in London with like a big group of us. I brought some Malibu in like a vodka bottle. I think I might, oh no, I left it at Will's actually. I brought some Malibu in like a vodka bottle because I didn't want to bring a whole one of these. I can like shot a bit of Malibu very easily because it's basically syrup and it's what 15-year-olds drink, but we're about to head out, but club drinks are expensive. Everyone knows that, especially London. Jesus Christ. London drinks are disgustingly expensive. Disgusting! So we were drinking there and we're about to head out and I'm like, okay, quick, I'll just have a quick little shot of Malibu. So I grab my vodka bottle, I swig it back.
That's not Malibu.
Someone else had gone to Tesco's and bought some vodka in the same bottle that I brought my Malibu in, and I just inhaled pure vodka. So I stood there for a second, wondering whether to spit it out, and then spent the next 5 minutes retching my guts up. I wasn't sick because Mama didn't raise a quitter. Oh god, I almost dropped the Alexa. I actually hate drinking though. You'll never see me have just one drink. Like, who enjoys alcohol? Ugh. I've got this ginormous pile of stuff I need to hang up, and I'm gonna hang it up. Wow, content. My YouTube career is already peaking and it's only just started. Oh, you don't have any hanger? Okay, well I have no hangers, so that's a great start. So I just basically stole all of my sister's coat hangers, and I've never been more grateful for the fact she doesn't watch my videos. She rises again, she conquers. She kind of has a tummy ache too. I didn't have enough hangers for these, so
see ya.
I'd also just like to welcome a new member of the family, this beautiful Fiorucci baby blue number. I'm going to love you, I'm going to look after you, I'm going to cherish you, and I am going to adore you till the day you get moth holes. This is a size large too. A large. It's cold. Obviously, as I said, I went away to London from last Friday till today. So over a week, basically, I've been away. So with that comes a lot of luggage. I did come home on the Friday afternoon for my mum's birthday. I thought I was nearly done, but I'm not nearly done. Oh, see, this is the part where I'm like, I should have just gone to sleep. I look like a boy with curtain hair. I need that like saffron barker. You haven't really tidied your room if you haven't put on every single my knee looks like a bald head. These are some really cute bikinis I got gifted from Go. Once again, this is not sponsored. And I also got this swimming costume, which is so cute. It's got like a cutout in the middle. The suitcase can wait. Okay, she's coming out another day. Oh god, I've got all this in it. Do you know what? I've got a busy week. I need a assistant. Didn't Telemojo have an assistant and it like caused so much controversy? My knees. They're really hairy. Oh, my boob just, oh god, this is not a good time for me. I got this thing at a Kiko event. Look how weird that is. It goes like, it smells really weird. Ooh, my retainer, which I haven't worn in months, evidently because I have no canines. Alexa, play Despacito. I swear to God if that's... If you don't have a shelf in your wardrobe that's full of makeup, then are you a female? That's probably really sexist. Sexist or gender stereotypical? These are some of my go-to products. I love this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream because it's magical. Deodorant because I don't want to be no stank. I've been enjoying this because if you didn't know, my body hates me and decided to curse me with the beautiful disease that is PCOS. So all my hair started falling out, but that's fine. This face wash I really like. It gets off my makeup beautifully. My parents are probably so worried about me just like hearing me talking to myself in my room, but hiya. I've just found these. I've literally slept in my bed since this blade has been in it. Gentlemen, that was my... Someone remind me to never do that ever again. That was the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this has inspired some of you. Who knows, maybe some of you are watching at 3 a.m. and now you want a bedroom that looks like this. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'm trying to think what else I need to say. I have all my social medias in my description box down below. I'm really sorry for being like crappy on YouTube. Do I have anything else to say? I don't think so. I'm gonna love yous and leave yous. And also, actually, big beauty day out coming out. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking in Scottish accent because it's actually quite strenuous on the brain. Big beauty day out is coming up if you want to come and meet me. I'm gonna be in both London and Manchester. I know that loads of your favourite YouTubers are gonna be going, so even if you don't want to meet me, you can go meet them, yay! But I would love to see some of you there, so I'll leave a link to tickets in the description box, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye! I look horrible, oh my god.